G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Well, the weather pattern that put half of Australia into a week-long deep freeze has now passed, and Queensland's enjoying a well-earned stretch of balmier weather. The ocean trade winds do, of course, bring more cloud than those lip-cracking southerlies, but any showers this week should be very isolated. Last night got down to 11 degrees in Toowoomba, which is so much more pleasant than 6 the night before. Today's top of 20 was also very agreeable, and most other stations followed the same trend. Let's look at the satellite loop now. You can see the trade wind pattern is back simply because we're getting to see the patchy cloud now in the Coral Sea. That's where the wind is coming from, having come from land for so many days before it finally started to turn around. So there is a bit of coastal cloud. Showers have been few and far between, amounting to less than a few millimetres in most cases, and generally most places had a day of fine weather. On today's chart, we have two high pressure systems now, both of them quite weak. One's way out to the Tasman Sea and another new one is moving over Central Australia. This zone between them is a zone of very light winds, which has made for a very pleasant day, though a little bit of cloud, slightly more of a southeasterly trade once we move north because the isobars are just that bit closer together. On tomorrow's chart, we're going to wake up to quite a bit of fog in the early morning simply because the isobar pattern is so open and the winds will be light. A very pleasant day though statewide, not that much cloud. On the outlook chart, now we start to see a light southerly change come through as this next high moves over, and by Friday and Saturday that'll bring the temperatures down a little bit. Now the Darling Downs and Granite Belt forecast some early fog and then a bright sunny day. 22 the top for Dalby, Gundawindi 21, Toowoomba 19, Warwick 6 up to 20. For the southeast coast, inland fog, mostly sunny after that, with Gatton reaching 24 degrees, Ipswich 25, Brisbane 24 again. Looking ahead for Toowoomba, temperatures peaking tomorrow, then falling a degree or two from Friday into the weekend, following that weak southerly change. Cloudy at times, but no rain at this stage. For Warwick, again, for 7 days, it'd be very unlucky if we get any rain at all. We might see some cloud. Temperatures sitting at about 19. And for Dalby, again, it's extremely unlikely, even less so than for Warwick, that we get any rain. Tops around 20 all week. And that's all for this evening, my friends. It's been a pleasure once again to have your company. Thank you for watching 7 Local Weather. I will be back tomorrow with more on this chapter. Hope you can join me then. Now it's back to the team.
Thanks, Livio. That's all from us for tonight. Thanks for your company. And
of course, if you'd like to watch anything again, catch up on our 7plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. See you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.